check this out. We have a happy customer. You don't really think that a customer with a car on the recovery is happy, but this particular one, it is happy because he still has the car. This Range Rover Sport was attempted to be stolen, and the only reason that he hasn't is because the car has a ghost on it. The thieves that they spent quite a bit of time on the car trying to get it started, they didn't really know what device has on it. They messed up the wiring. Now the car is not starting, so he came in for repair, but definitely the customer is happy to have it still with him, and we say that the ghost is the one that protects the car from the shadow.